Hello, good day everyone. So today's webinar is about the Sales Order Applet, where we'll cover the features and functionalities related to CP Commerce. So we'll discuss on that part mainly. So let's start today's webinar. So for the CP Commerce part, first thing I'll show you how to place an order from a CP Commerce website. Then I'll show how that order reflected into the Sales Order Applet and what are the things that we can do from there. So first thing first, I'll just place an order from the CP Commerce website. So let's say this is one of our dummy website. So I'll just browse through one of the product. And then I just added one item to my cart. So you can see here in my shopping cart, I have one item which I just now selected. Then the total price is 350 for this order. So I'll just try to place this order. So the order placement is like other e-commerce website is as usual. So let's say currently I'll try to make a purchase of this item. So my total payable is 350. So I'll just place the order. Okay, so once the order has been placed, then I can see one confirmation that my order has been placed successfully. And this is my total price, this is my order number, and this is the date. So whenever any order has been placed from the CP Commerce website, then it will automatically flow to the sales order applet. So my sales order applet is already opened. So let me refresh the page to see the latest order. Okay, so I just now refreshed and you see there's one more record has been added, and this one is 1000118, which is this one, the 100118. So this order just now came in into my sales order applet, and for all of the CP Commerce applet, whenever an order has been placed, the posting status will be automatically finalized, which is different if you create from the sales order applet itself. Initially the posting status will be draft, then you need to finalize it manually. But for CP Commerce website, if there's any order received from there, the posting status will be automatically finalized. So now from the user point of view, like let's say from the order management team, I can click on this sales order, then I can see all of the details. Like for CP Commerce order, the branch location will be always CP Commerce because the website is linked to that branch and location. And then here, let's say I want to see the items, then I can click on the lines over here, and then I can see what are the items have been ordered, and then what are the total transaction value. So just now while placing the order, I show the total order value is 350, which is aligned over here. And then from here basically I can do a few things, like I can change the sales order status to different order, then I can add the sales agents. All those things can be done from here, but as the posting status already finalized, you cannot change the line items, you cannot edit the order amount, these things cannot be done. But you can add in some additional details. For example, I can add in the sales agent, then I can change the sales order status. Let's say just now I received this order, so initially it can be in process, so I can save it. Then let's say after some days, if so once I change the sales order status, it will be reflected into the listing as well. So let's say after some time or after 1 or 2 days, if my order is like ready to pack, then I can change the status to pack or something, then subsequently to ship, then the end one will be completed or something. So these sales order statuses can be configured, and these things basically used for the e-commerce website. So in the e-commerce website, we have the sales order history. So if I click on here, then here I can also see my order status. So whatever order status will be put from the applet itself, it will be reflected into the website to the end user view. So let me show you how we can configure this sales order status. So in order to configure the sales order status, we can go to the settings, and then here we have the sales order status. So based on your organizational workflow or based on your delivery workflow, you can create the status code and the status name. So let's say for this dummy purpose or for this demo purpose, we have configured in process to pack to ship, receive, completed, cancelled, invoice. So if you have any other status, you can just type in. Let's say I want to add in another one, so I can just put like this: the order status code, the order status name, and the sort code. The sort code basically used to show these options in the drop down. So let's say here in my sort code, in process to pack, these are one. So that's why whenever I try to select the sales order status from the drop down, these two values is usually coming at the top. So that's what the sort code has been used. So let me go back to the sales order status. Yeah, so the sort order has been used for that purpose. So let's say just now I was showing you how to add. So let's say I add another one called test, and then I put the sort order at 7. Then I click on create. Then if I go back again, and then let's say just now I was using this sales order to demo. So if I come in here and then I select this drop down, the sales order status, then this test I can see as an added option. So that's how you can add more status if you want. So I think so far that's all about the sales order applet related to CP Commerce. Sales order applet also got other features and functionalities which will be covered in another webinar. So thank you everyone. Let me know if there's any questions.